Lagi pa rin siyang sumusok.
Aussie, care.
Morning vlog! We are here in our doctor kasi may control ako. No? Nasa huli pa. Kami na Sofia na una. Kasi, kukontrol yung aking BP today. After 2 weeks.
And she wants to.
Hello! We're back! Yun yung unang bisita ni Kyle. Double date kami mga loves. Nag-visit yung aking friend na si Mary Ann, si Baby Alex, at saka si Tito Rob. Yun yung nag-alaga kay Sofia din. Ayan siya. So, Kyle is still asleep. Lagi pa rin siyang yung bang sumusok. Hindi ba yung sumusuka? Parang nag-spit out siya ng gatas. Pero sabi ng doktor kanina, it's normal. Mawawala din daw yan. Unless it's constant na daw. Yung parang maya-maya talaga every feed sumusuka. Yun yung ikakabahala. Pero eto, normal naman siya. So, kanina din napunta kami sa doktor. Chinek yung aking BP is 155/90. So, medyo bumaba siya. Advice lang is to continue my methyl-dopamine 3 times a day. And for 2 weeks. So, after that, on February 28, meron naman tayong appointment. Hopefully, bumaba siya. Siguro, I need also to do, paano pa naman maka-exercise? Hindi pa naman pwede, diba? Kasi nga, yung ating last-last sa tiyan, so hindi pa pwede. And sa lahat pala nagsasabi na mag-breastfeed, gusto ko po sana mag-breastfeed, pero wala po tayong gatas. Hindi siya enough. And pagkatapos nun, nag-grocery kami, and that. Yun lang yung ginawa namin today. Tsaka inantay namin yung aming bisita. Kasi dito, if you have visitors, kailangan natin gumawa ng appointment. So, nag-appointment kami today. And dito lang naman din kami sa bahay. So, umuulan pala sa labas. Yung carnival is finished kahapon. And wala, chill-chill lang. Tomorrow, dito lang din kami sa bahay. Tignan nyo. Shush! Ang bango-bango-bango ng baby. Ang bango-bango ng baby. Ayan. Oh, nagdala sila nitong regalo para kay baby. Ayan oh. Thank you so much. Regalo.
The next day.
Mama, is it necklace?
Yeah, ito, nag-lipstick din, Arya. Yeah, magtutok-tikan. Ginit mag-lipstick.
Oh. Yeah, it's in.
Dada's going to get my medicine para sa high blood.
Mama,
Kasi
wait.
kailangan ko pang
Mama,
inumin
wait.
yung aking
Wait,
metal dopa sa pregnancy.
wait.
So after that one, tignan natin kasi may control pa.
The next day.
Good morning! Oh, shit.
Hi.
Hi, vlog!
Here's my little brother, is Kyle.
Ayan. Is ano dito, alas 10 ng umaga. Grabe, parang non-stop pala akong tulog. Ano siya, tumae. Tapos, nagbihis, ayaw matulog. Pinalitan na namin ng gatas. Tapos, naghanap na naman kami ng gatas kasi lagi siyang ano ba, nagdudulay. So, pinalitan namin ng ibang gatas. Tapos, may crumbs pa siya. Bibili naman si Dada ng ibang gatas. Tignan namin kung saan yung mas okay. So, grabe, Hagardo. Hagardo, grabe. Pero tiis-tiis lang kasi lilipas din yan, nak, no? No? Ano gusto?
Here's my baby brother, Kyle.
Good morning! Welcome back sa aming kusina. It's been, I think it's 17 days after 17 days old na si Kyle. And today, busy ako dito sa kusina. Ano naman mga loves, caring ko naman, medyo minsan lang sumasakit yung yung fallopian tube ko. But other than that, I'm fine. Tapos, nagkumakati na yung aking tiyan. So, sabi nila, it's a sign of healing. Na maganda yung healing natin. So, gagawa lang ako ng sisig. Meron tayong belly dito. First time kong gumawa ng sisig mga loves kasi kakainin namin mamaya sa lunch. Darating si Marting Maldito at saka si Palalab. So, gumawa na lang ako ng rice just in case gusto nilang mag-rice. Hindi ko alam kung gusto nilang mag-rice or whatever. Sisig with rice. Why not? So, gagamitin natin to try. And then, pakita ko sa inyo yung gatas. This one is Nutrilon Anti-Reflux. Ito yung para sa pag mag-spit out yung anak mo. Yan yung gagamitin nyo. Meron din kami binili na standard. Kasi yan yung sabi yun yung gamit niya sa ospital. Pero ngayon, isinusukan niya lahat yung mga iniinom niya. So, nag-change kami. And then, gumagawa lang ako ng banana cake dito. So, meron lang akong konting Shanghai. Kasi lunch, hindi ko alam kung si Dada kasi hindi niya kumakain ng heavy pag lunch. Minsan bread lang or something. So, naglilinis lang ako dito. Si Dada in charge kay Kyle para mabilis ko matapos yung aking trabaho dito. So, pakita ko na lang sa inyo mama yung ating finished product. Dumaan pala yung dito, yung ninang ni Sofia. Dala ng bulaklak. Wow, orange. Lagay ko lang siya sa vase. And then, papainit na ako kasi gagawa na tayo ng lunch mga loves. Thank you, Maring Apple. Lagi talaga yung nagdadala ng kahit ano dito. Ayan. So, nagkwentuhan na kami saglit kasi may appointment din siya. And then, ako din may bisita. So, ay! Okay. Ayan na. Right here. Gaga. Hey. Hi. Ay, shush.
Hello.
Hi. Who's that?
Goed.
Good. Good.
Spek.
Spec. Uncle is here. We did not tell Sophia that you're coming. Guys, na, she will not sleep. Dili magiging kasi apple. Okay, nasa appointment nila ba sa copper? Nya.
Yan eh.
Oh, naabot naman daw ang keratin. Hindi, balik na siya.
Bago siya nagawa?
Bago rin siya din gawa sa alas 12 kay tawag ko. Hey, Coco. Okay rin as Coco.
You should have asked both. Did you ask her in Dutch or in English?
Yes, can do it in Dutch.
Oh no, but maybe she can do it in English.
No, because we don't do it at home with her.
But maybe she...
Maybe in English again.
Maybe in English you know. But
Yeah.
in Dutch,
But but she has to do it in Dutch.
She needs guidance.
Just
They say she finds it difficult, and she's not sure of herself, like insecure.
Of what? Insecure of what?
Punta muna kami sa school ni Sophia. Wag to siya katingog ba nga. Uy na.
More moments later.
Ay, nakauwi na sila. Marking magdito si Talalas. We have package.
What is this package? Yeah, it's like it's a pizza all the time. What is it? What's this thing? Here.
Hold it.
I'm going to some This is for the baby. This for the baby, Mama? And this for the baby can sit.
Sa box.
This is it.
Ayan.
No, son.
Kyle is totally in your pukangkang. Kyle is, that is still too big for you now.
That's in my house.
Wow.
And where have to try to sit?
Wait a minute. It's not close for you.
We're going to make it tight. Show me. And we're going to be able to sit.
There. No, baby should go there.
Hey.
The legs. Oh my god. It's not.
Here. This is here.
So the legs there, or
This is here.
if you use that one, but if you don't use that one, it's just the ones. Yeah.
And then